Are you curious about why we hiccup? Get ready for a splash of surprising info. Believe it or not, hiccups might be an evolutionary gift from our fishy ancestors. According to Smithsonian magazine, when we hiccup, our inhale muscles contract and our vocal cords slam shut. Sounds like a bad musical, right? But for tadpoles, this movement is actually useful. They take in water, close off their lungs, and push water through their gills. Talk about multitasking. This bizarre reflex is controlled by the brainstem, the same in both humans and amphibians. It's like our bodies have a mind of their own, hiccuping for no good reason, while tadpoles are just trying to breathe underwater. So, next time you hiccup, thank your inner fish and enjoy the ride. Like and subscribe for more fun facts. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a date with some water and a paper bag. Hiccup you later.